Welcome to the Apprentice of the Year dinner for 2008. A lot can happen in 12 months. In politics, a lot happens in a week. In business, a lot can change tonight. Tonight, as we celebrate your success in competition, we need to accept that it is a competitive marketplace. Know your competitive advantage and work to excel. It is not enough to be ordinary. You're Australian, and that's not ordinary. The world is smaller. The effects are felt more rapidly. Government intervention in the marketplace, lack of government intervention. It's not what's happening, it's what you make happen. It is during these times of challenge that those capable of meeting the challenges rise. The use of old equipment in a time-honoured and traditional manner may not see an organisation keep pace with competitive challenge. A company that is not reinvesting in itself will not be a company of growth, expansion of method, broadening of focus. A company investing in risk, accepting the challenge, will find new ways, will be leading, will be setting the challenge for others to follow. We have a real talent for invention and creation. We have a can-do attitude. We will try and fail and try again. We accept the challenge. We learn, we grow, we enjoy. Betta Machine Tools will help to introduce some of the most modern and appropriate technologies to the Australian market. Whether your need is to measure large three-dimensional object with a surprising level of accuracy and resolution with a Steinbichler T-scan system, or inline measurement with robotic manipulation of the white light fringe projection system of a Comet 5, also from Steinbichler. High measurement speed accuracy, automatic matching, no object preparation markers are required, making the Steinbichler excellent for your business. Perhaps the advantages of EOS laser sintered parts are your need. Form and function achieved in a range of materials: sand, polyamide, alumide, glasswood polyamide, carbon fibre polyamide. With the EOS system, you just don't make a prototype, you build the real thing. There are new opportunities in metal and plastic components akin to producing bespoke articles. Don't just prototype it, make it real. Metal components in steel, stainless steel, chrome cobalt, miraging steel, detail precision, conformal cooling. The result is in. One customer on trial has realised that with conformal cooling, his production can increase 25% and more. Investing in EOS technology for conformal cooling will also require him to make an investment in faster upstream and downstream processing. Either you will take on the challenge and make real measurable improvements, or you may watch. PEM is also part of our range of new and exciting technologies. Use one master to create 10 identical masters. No loss of accuracy, no electrode wear, no light white layer, precise electrochemical machining. But tonight I will engage on a short tour of Hermley, milling at its best. Hermley is milling without compromise. 3, 4 and 5 axis variants in C20, C30, C40 and C50. 2,000 kilograms in high-speed simultaneous machining on the C50. Hermley, situated in Goschheim in the beautiful Schwabian district of the old West Germany. The pride of made in Germany is exemplified here. Accuracy is not something that is electronically tuned into the machine at completion. It is built into the geometry of the machine. It is required every step of the way. If the German DIN standard requires an accuracy of 25 micron per 300 millimeters, Hermley have a standard that is half that, and the production operators have a desire to be half that, if not less than half of that. It is not enough to be right. It's more than that. It is a desire to be right, to make the best, most accurate machine tools in the world. Even the mounting of the spindle is typical Hermley. If you crash a Hermley spindle, you have a set of impact-absorbing cushions which deform and cushion high impact loads. The spindle may only need replacement of 6 small aluminium shock-absorbing elements. The motor spindle is assembled with the front section being easily replaced. Drives, frames, bearings and design are all combined to make Hermley the master at milling. Hermley is also entering additive machining with a brand new process using a powder metallurgy process with the precision of Hermley subtractive machining that opens up avenues of study and development that can only be imagined. The advantage of this technology may be the creation of large conformal cooling tools for die and mould work, to the creation of components in a range of materials that will be limited by imagination. Copper aluminium in styrated layers, to a material that is 100% copper on the left, to 100% aluminium on the right, to a 50-50 mix in the middle. One customer has already built a room for the alchemy machine, and the machine has not yet been released. Hermley, Besser Fractional, milling perfection. Betta Machine Tools, not just machine tools, but real solution providers. Real growth, real competition, real values. True innovations. Get real.